Welcome to our channel. Today we will explore the 10 most shocking extraterrestrial encounters of 2024. Are we alone in this vast universe? Join us as we journey into the heart of these mysteries and try to unravel the truth behind these extraordinary events. Our journey begins in the heart of the Swiss Alps, a place where jagged peaks pierce the sky and snow-covered slopes whisper tales of ancient times. In January 2024, this serene landscape played host to an event that would send ripples of astonishment across the globe.
It was a bright, disc-shaped object, moving with a speed and agility that defied the capabilities of any known aircraft. As quickly as it appeared, this enigmatic visitor vanished into the horizon, leaving in its wake a trail of questions and a group of witnesses struggling to comprehend what they had just witnessed. While some dismiss it as a clever hoax or a misidentification of a natural phenomenon, others point to the strangeness of the object's movements as compelling evidence of something truly extraordinary.
From the towering peaks of the Alps, we descend to the arid expanse of Chile's Atacama Desert, a land often described as the closest thing to Mars on Earth. Here, in this desolate yet strangely beautiful landscape, a team of scientists embarked on a research expedition in February 2024. Their mission, to study the unique geology and biology of this extreme environment.
As the team meticulously collected data, their instruments detected a series of electromagnetic anomalies, readings that deviated wildly from the norm. These unexplained disturbances were soon followed by a visual sighting that left the researchers stunned. A craft, described as sleek and metallic, hovered silently for several minutes as if observing the scientists below. Then, with a sudden burst of speed, it vanished into the endless blue, leaving behind a sense of wonder and a profound mystery that continues to baffle experts.
Our exploration now takes us to the remote island of Rapa Nui, better known as Easter Island, a place shrouded in mystery and ancient legends. This island, famous for its enigmatic moai statues, silent sentinels guarding the coastline for centuries, became the setting for another baffling event in March 2024.
These lights, too bright and fast to be conventional aircraft, moved with a grace and precision that hinted at an intelligence beyond our comprehension. Were these lights a form of communication? Perhaps a message from an unknown intelligence drawn to this island of secrets? Or were they the manifestation of something else entirely? A phenomenon that eludes our current understanding. The Easter Island event served as a stark reminder of the vastness of the unknown and the limitations of our current understanding of the universe.
Chapter 4, Whispers from Area 51. Our investigation now takes us from the remote islands of the Pacific to the Nevada desert, to a place shrouded in secrecy and intrigue, Area 51. This highly classified military base has long been at the heart of UFO lore, a supposed repository of captured alien technology and clandestine government research.
These leaks, though impossible to independently verify, sent shockwaves through the intelligence community and ignited a firestorm of speculation among those who believe that the truth about extraterrestrial life is being kept from the public. The leaks alleged that direct contact had been established with an extraterrestrial life form, a being described as bioluminescent, capable of shape-shifting, and possessing advanced technology beyond our current understanding.
Chapter 5, Manhattan's Moment of Awe. In May 2024, the bustling metropolis of New York City, a place not usually associated with the mysteries of the cosmos, became the stage for an extraordinary event that would leave an indelible mark on the city's collective memory. Thousands of New Yorkers going about their daily routines looked up in astonishment as a massive triangular craft materialized in the sky above Manhattan. This craft, described by some as larger than a football field, hung silently in the sky for what seemed like an eternity, its dark metallic surface reflecting the city lights below. Then, as quickly as it had appeared, the craft shot upwards, disappearing into the clouds with a blinding flash of light. The event above New York City served as a potent reminder that the unknown can intrude upon our lives in the most unexpected ways, challenging our perceptions of reality and leaving us grappling with the implications. Chapter 6, Echoes in the Deep Freeze. From the towering skyscrapers of Manhattan, we journey to the frozen wastelands of Antarctica, the southernmost continent, a land of ice and snow where the sun barely rises above the horizon for months on end. In June 2024, a scientific expedition braved the harsh conditions of this unforgiving environment, their mission to study the effects of climate change on this fragile ecosystem. As the research vessel navigated the icy waters, its sonar equipment picked up a series of unusual readings, patterns of movement that defied any easy explanation. These readings suggested the presence of an unidentified submerged object, something large and moving with a speed and agility that surpassed the capabilities of any known submarine. The object, whatever it was, seemed to be following the research vessel, its movements tracked on sonar for several hours before it abruptly vanished into the depths. Chapter 7. Our journey now takes us to the bustling metropolis of Tokyo, Japan, a city of dazzling lights, technological marvels, and ancient traditions. In July 2024, the night sky above Tokyo became the canvas for a celestial ballet, a spectacle of light and movement that captivated and mystified millions.
These lights, too bright and fast to be conventional aircraft or drones, formed geometric patterns, circles within circles, interlocking triangles, as if communicating in a language we couldn't understand. The display lasted for several minutes, the lights fading one by one until the night sky returned to its familiar darkness, leaving behind a city buzzing with speculation and a sense of awe at the mysteries that might lie beyond our world.
Chapter 8. Silent Pursuit in the South Seas. Our search for answers now takes us to the vast expanse of the South Pacific, a region of idyllic islands, crystal-clear waters, and ancient seafaring traditions. In August 2024, a group of fishermen, plying their trade in these seemingly endless waters, encountered something that would test their mettle and their understanding of the natural world. As their fishing boat bobbed gently on the waves, they noticed something unusual in the water nearby. At first it appeared as a large shadow, moving swiftly beneath the surface. Then, as it drew closer, its true nature became horrifyingly clear. It was a craft, unlike anything they had ever seen before. The craft, described as sleek and metallic, emitted a faint blue glow that illuminated the water around it. The fishermen, though shaken by this silent pursuit, managed to take some grainy photographs of the craft before it suddenly dived, disappearing into the abyss. Chapter 9. Watchers in the Wilderness. In September 2024, a group of hikers ventured into the rugged wilderness of the Rocky Mountains, seeking solace and adventure among the towering peaks and pristine forests. As they made their way along a winding trail, their conversation hushed by the grandeur of their surroundings, they noticed something unusual in the sky. At first it appeared as a distant speck, a dark point against the backdrop of the blue sky. As they watched, it grew larger, resolving itself into a definite shape. The object, metallic and featureless, emitted a low hum, a sound that seemed to vibrate through the air itself. It hovered there for several minutes, seeming to observe the hikers with an unsettling intensity. Then, with a sudden burst of speed, it shot upwards, vanishing into the vastness of the sky, leaving behind a group of shaken hikers and a mystery that deepens with each passing day. Chapter 10. Descent into Death Valley. Our final destination takes us to the heart of Death Valley, a place of extremes, where scorching temperatures and desolate landscapes create a sense of otherworldly beauty. Witnesses, drawn to the area by rumors of unusual activity, reported seeing a large, unidentified craft descend from the sky, its lights pulsing, casting an eerie glow upon the desert floor. The craft, according to these accounts, landed softly on the desert floor, kicking up a cloud of dust that lingered in the still air. Some witnesses described seeing beings emerge from the craft, their forms indistinct in the fading light, while others spoke of strange lights and sounds emanating from the landed object. Whatever transpired that night in Death Valley remains a mystery, a testament to the enduring power of the unknown to captivate and inspire awe. From the snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps to the depths of the South Pacific, from the bustling streets of Tokyo to the desolate beauty of Death Valley, the year 2024 has been a year of extraordinary encounters, a year where the boundaries of our reality seem to blur, a year where the possibility of extraterrestrial life moved from the realm of science fiction to the forefront of our collective consciousness. These encounters, each unique, each compelling, challenge us to broaden our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Are we alone in this vast cosmos, or are we part of a grander tapestry of life, a tapestry woven with threads of intelligence and wonder that we are only just beginning to perceive? The question hangs in the air, as tantalizing and elusive as the very phenomena we seek to understand. What do you think? Are we alone in the universe? Leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time.